Hello my fashionables, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm unboxing some of my brand new kitchen treasures. I've got a full set of pots plus some extra goodies that every kitchen desires. If you love cooking, you are going to enjoy this one. Let's dive straight into it. First up, look at this beauty, guys. This is the largest pot in the set, perfect for my jollof and fried rice, or even when I've got friends and families over. It is very spacious. Look at the color, cream white in color. Wow, extra big, and also the shape, oval shape. I love this one. I think this could be my favorite pot, but let's take a look at the second. Here's the second one, a little smaller, but still a great size for everyday meals like my pasta, my goosey soup, or my vegetable soup. It looks good, and the color too looks good. Look at it, it's a red color. Wow, I really love red colors. Red is my color. Yeah, I got it. Now we are getting into the medium-sized territory. This one is perfect for side dishes or quick meals. Look at the size, guys. I really love this one. Look at the color. Red is my color. I really love it. And finally, the cutest little one in the family. Perfect for boiling an egg, warming milk, or making a small portion of something delicious. Don't underestimate the power of the small pot. This is my little baby. Last but not the least, this extra small pan. It is so adorable. Perfect for melting some butter, warming some sauce, or boiling some eggs. A mini pan for mini meals. So nice. Of course, no kitchen is complete without a frying pan. I'm already imagining some pancakes, some omelets, and all the quick stir fries I can whip up in this. So that is the whole unboxing, guys. 4 beautiful pots, a frying pan, cooking spoons, a little extra mini pan. I can't wait to start cooking with this. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more kitchen content, and let me know in the comment section which pot or pan you will use first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.